Capital asset pricing models. Define the market price of CAPM. So first question 1. Market price of CAPM is given by market price of risk is equals to alt equals to E expectation of R underscore M minus R underscore F whole divided by sigma of R underscore M. Okay, so this is the market price of risk where R underscore M is equals to return on the market portfolio and alt equals to R underscore F, the small r underscore F is equals to return on risk-free asset. Okay, this was part 1. Part 2, calculate the market price of risk given that the risk free annual rate of return is 2.5%. So we need to calculate for all of these. So alt equals to first for recession, this is equals to 0.4 into 0% plus 0.2 into 1% plus 0.4 into 2% is equals to 1%. These are all the market returns which I am calculating, returns of the market portfolio. For normal, it is equals to 0.4 into 5% plus 0.2 into 3% plus 0.4 into 3%. Okay, so this is equals to 3.8% and alt equals to boom. For boom, this is equals to 0.4 into 10% plus 0.2 into 7% plus 0.4 into 3%, which is equals to 6.6%. Okay, so this is there. Now expected rate, these are the market returns. Market returns on portfolio. Next is the expected return. Alt equals to expectation of R underscore M is equals to 0.1 into 1% plus 0.7 into 3.8% plus 0.2 into 6.6%. Which is equals to 4.08%. Okay, and then finally we calculate the market price of risk. For that we'll need first variance. So all equal to variance of R underscore M is equals to, copy this entire thing, the entire sentence. Okay, so 0.1 into 0.1 square, 1% square plus 3, here come 3.8% square plus 6.6% square, and this is minus 4.08% square. Okay, so this comes to 2.2736% which is also equals to 1.50785% square. Okay, therefore the market price of risk alt equals to backslash gamma is equals to 4.08 minus 2.5 divided by 1.50784, which is equals to 1.0479. Okay, an issue for discuss the particular issue that a young investor might face, that a young investor should also consider human capital, which should be larger. It is a theory part. Coming to the next question, securities. What is the security that is only 3 risk securities A, B and C with the following annual returns? Assume that calculate the standard deviation sigma m of the annual return on the market portfolio. Quote any results that you use. So question 2, come down, we have that 10 is equals to expectation of m minus r divided by sigma. Which is equals to 5.3 minus 3.3 divided by sigma m, which is equals to, which leads to backslash sigma underscore m is equals to 0.2 or 20%. Okay, part 2, calculate RB, the expected return on asset B. So alt equals to expectation of M is equals to MC underscore A divided by MC underscore B, MC underscore M into expectation of A plus expectation of B plus MC C expectation of C. Okay, so this is equals to 5.3 is equals to 100 by 500 into 4 plus 150 divided by 500 into E underscore B plus 250 divided by 500 into 6. So this leads to R underscore B is equals to E underscore B, which is equals to 5%. Okay, and part 3, calculate the covariance of the annual returns on each asset with the annual return on the market portfolios. So first we'll write the security market line. The security market line alt is equals to is expectation of I is equals to R plus backslash of beta underscore I into expectation of M underscore minus R, where alt equals to expectation of I is equals to expected return on asset I, alt equals to expectation of M is equals to expected return on market and alt equals to R is equals to risk free rate. Okay, since we have this, now for asset A, is equals to 3.3 plus backslash beta underscore A is into 5.3 minus 3.3 So therefore alt equals to backslash of beta underscore a is equals to 0.35. Now beta underscore a is equal to covariance of r underscore a comma r underscore m divided by variance of r underscore m, which is equals to, and also apart from one, variance of r underscore m is equals to backslash of sigma underscore m to the power 2, which is equals to 20 square, which is equals to 400. Therefore the SML equation for a set B is equals to 5 is equals to 3.3 plus backslash of beta underscore B is into 5.3 minus 3.3, which is equals, which leads to all beta underscore B is equals to 0.85. Okay. Now covariance of r underscore b comma r underscore m is equals to 0.85 into 400, which is equals to 340%. And last, the SML for equation C is equals to 6 is equals to 3.3 plus backslash of beta underscore C is equals to 5.3 minus 3.3, which is equals to backslash of beta underscore C is equals to 1.35. Therefore covariance of r underscore m comma r underscore c is equals to 1.35 into 400, which is equals to 540%. Okay, so this is how you do the CAPM.